Y'all see these flowers, bro? Let's get it! No homo though, cause I'm not gay.
I made the flowers, but
look at these. No, I made flowers. You see this beautiful one? This me, my artwork. She was like, come help me out. I got you, artist.
Yeah.
She get a award.
Hi guys, these are the tools you'll need to make these flower papers. So you're gonna need some glue sticks, a lot of them, a pen, scissor, any kind is fine, and a glue gun, any kind of glue gun. I got mine from Walmart for like $6. I also got this for like 39 cents each packet for like 39 cents. And I also got these papers. You'll need these papers, any colors is your choice. You'll need these paper. I got mine from Walmart also. They were like $1 for like a whole pack of different rainbow colors. And some flower patterns or flower pattern to trace it and then cut it. Okay guys, I'm just cutting out the shapes. Here's what I've done so far. I've done that pattern, this pattern, and this pattern. I'm gonna do this one. You basically just trace it and then cut it out. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make that middle part. You see that little fringe in the middle? I'm gonna show you how to make it in a second. Alright, I'm gonna take all the papers from each of the colors that I'm doing, and I'm gonna make the middle part. So fold it twice, okay? There we go. Gonna cut it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so you have like single out. Put them together to save time. You're gonna cut it like this. Don't cut it all the way through. Just halfway or like almost all the way through. And there you have it. And I'll show you how to fold it in a few minutes. But make sure they're like this. Alright, and we're gonna do the same. Okay guys, the hard part is over. Now it's the fun part that's coming up. So I already cut the fringes that goes in the middle, and I got my flower petals laid out. This is the orange one, purple, red and pink, and violet, and then a yellow one. So you can put your scissor away and bring out your glue gun. Hey guys, I forgot to let you guys know that before you put away your scissor, make sure you make a little line in the middle, like right here. Cut the middle part. Don't cut all the way, you know, just a little bit. Okay, I cut all of them. I cut the middle part like a little, you see, just cut the middle. And I did that for this one too, and this one, and all of them. So now we're gonna start. Okay guys, make sure you grab a pen and see how I did this little curve here. Just grab a pen or whatever else you want to use, and you know, just curve it a little bit so it can look a little bit more natural, like a flower, you know. And then what I'm doing, these are the ones that I already done. You see? I'm gonna glue this like this. Glue it together like this, you know. So grab your glue gun. Put some glue on the side. And then glue it together like so. Don't make it too curvy because it's the outer layer, so it doesn't need to be that curvy. So these are all the flowers that I just made. See how they're like curved to the side? They're like curvy. Yeah, that's how you want to make them, curvy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other size and I'll show you. Okay guys, I already made all the curves and glued them together. So this is the first big petal. This is the next size. I did 3 sides. You can do more than 3 sides, but it's better to do 3. I curved them and glued them on here. And this is the one that goes in the middle, the first layer. Make sure you really curve the first layer because you want it to be really curvy. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and glue them together. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and start with the outer layer, which is the big one. Gonna go ahead and make sure you have a foundation, something to glue it on the bottom. I have the orange sheet because I'm gonna use it as so you're gonna go ahead and put glue on here and then glue the first one just like that. Let me show you up close. So this is the first layer that I just did. I didn't need a lot of petals for this. I just had 5 petals. Let's see. You see that? And don't worry about the glue. You can, you know, clean it up when you're done. And then, yeah. Gonna go ahead and put the second and then third layer. Have leftover petals. I'm gonna keep it for next time. This is the second layer. Again, same thing. Glue on the bottom. And then, bam. Easy peasy. Glue on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna stop. You guys are not like 3rd grader or anything. Excuse my phone. Someone is texting. This is why it's good to have a foundation on the bottom, a base to start with, so you can turn it around like this, you know. And then I have a lot of petals, so I'm gonna try and fit as many as I could because I want it to be full and look delicious, you know. Not delicious, but you know, I want it to be full. Okay, I think this is enough. Now let me put another round. Just one more. I might as well put it because I don't think I'm gonna make another orange flower. Although orange is a beautiful color, I don't think I'm gonna use it again. Okay. I just finished the second layer. So this is how it looks like with the second layer. You see that? You see that? Okay guys, I'm done with the... Let me reduce the light so y'all can see it better. Yeah. I'm done with the third layer. See? Look at that beautiful... This is why I say it's better to use a pencil so you can erase some of the trace. But, you know, it still looks good regardless, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and make the middle part and cut this out. So here you have the fringe. I got 4. I made 4 of them. So you're just going to roll it like this for each of them. Roll it for each. It's gonna take a little while, and you can glue it as you go so it won't unravel. The middle part is done. And you know, make sure you cut off the other part on the bottom, the base that you were using. I've done 3 already. Okay guys, this is the final result. Comment below which one is your favorite color. I like the pink one, and I just put it on a headboard or like a paper that I put glitter on the side. And you can put this in your room, or if you have an event that's coming up, you can like decorate your event with the paper flowers. It's cheaper and it's worth it. You get to use it for anything basically. Hey guys, thanks again for watching. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. It's the red subscribe button. Just click it and make sure you hit the bell button so you can get more of my videos. And yeah, thank you. Bye.